If you use Gmail to protect your bank account, YouTube channel, social media, or online shopping accounts, you need to watch this video until the end. I'll show you exactly how this scam works and, more importantly, how to protect yourself. Let's get started. Step 1. The email that looks completely real. Imagine opening your Gmail inbox and seeing a new email from Google, not a fake Gmail address, not a misspelled email, a real Google email. Everything looks genuine. The subject might say something about your Google account or your recovery information. Since it comes from Google, most people trust it immediately. That's exactly what the scammers want. Step 2. The message that makes you panic. When you open the email, you see a frightening message. It says that someone has already been added as a recovery contact for your Google account. You see a name you've never seen before. Now you are thinking, has someone hacked my Gmail? That moment of panic is exactly what the scammers are counting on. Step 3. Why this is so dangerous. If criminals gain access to your Gmail account, they can do much more than read your emails. They could reset passwords for your online accounts, access banking or shopping accounts, take over your social media, lock you out of your own Gmail, even steal your YouTube channel if it's connected to that Gmail account. That's why protecting your Gmail account is so important. Step 4. Here's the clever trick. This is where the scam becomes really dangerous. The email is real. Google actually sends it. So how can that happen? The scammers abuse one of Google's own account features. They insert fake warning messages into information that Google later includes in a genuine email. So the email comes from Google servers, but the scary message inside was written by the scammer. That's why the email passes many security checks. Step 5. Don't be fooled by the empty space. Some victims notice a huge blank space inside the email. That isn't a mistake. Scammers use hidden formatting to push the real message to the bottom of the email. Most people never scroll down. Instead, they only see the fake warning at the top and panic. It's another trick designed to rush you into clicking a link. Step 6. The fake Google website. The email may contain a link that looks completely safe. You might even see the word Google in the web address. But don't trust it. The scammers can create fake websites using Google's free website building service. So the page looks like Google, but it's actually designed to steal your Gmail username, password, and security codes. Step 7. What you should do instead? If you receive an email like this, do not click any links. Instead, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open a new browser window yourself. Don't use the link inside the email. Step 2. Type my account google.com into your browser. Step 3. Sign in and open the security section. Step 4. Check your recovery phone number, recovery email, and recovery contacts. If everything looks normal, then your account is most likely safe. The email was simply trying to scare you. Step 8. Turn on extra protection. If you haven't already enabled two-step verification today, this adds another layer of security to your account. Even if someone learns your password, they still won't be able to sign in without the second verification step. For even stronger protection, consider using a physical security key. It's one of the safest ways to protect your Google account. Step 9. What if you already clicked the link? Don't panic, act quickly. Go directly to my account google.com, change your password immediately, remove any recovery information you don't recognize. Turn on two-step verification if it's not already enabled. The faster you act, the better your chances of keeping your account safe. Final warning, remember this simple rule: a real Google security alert will never pressure you into clicking a link because your account has supposedly already been hacked. Whenever you receive an email that creates fear and demands immediate action, stop. Think, verify everything yourself by visiting your Google account directly. That one habit could save your Gmail account, your money, and even your YouTube channel. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy to follow tech tips, online safety guides, and scam alerts. Thanks for watching. Stay safe online, and I'll see you in the next video.